I have just stumbled across a cotton candy vending machine and I cannot not try it out. And apparently it's going to put some kind of a cool pattern in the top of my cotton candy. Let's give it a whirl. All right, let's see how this thing works. Click to buy. Oh, okay, we've got ourselves a demo. We're going to get the... Oh, this is a tough call. The Abigail. We're going to check out. We're going to card.
Please submit your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Let's watch this baby work. This is hectic. Ah! What is it doing? It's making me like a little bow. I love this. I don't know how it's making that shape. Oh, it's coloring. This is wild. It's like cotton candy art. I love this. All right. Oh, okay. Thank you. No way. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is it. How cool is that? $9. I mean, it's expensive, but it's pretty awesome. I'm obsessed. This is so fun. Just watching it was fun.